Well, good morning, y'all. We did this little project in here yesterday. Had to put a 48-inch culvert in. Had to clear out all down in here. I'm waiting on rock trucks today. The owner wants a rip-rap flume on that end of it because of all the water that comes through here in case that pipe gets overwhelmed. But yeah, it's been a pretty decent little old job. It's a lot of work. I got the 307 here. The TL12 is also here. It's on the other end of the property, cleaning out a few more privet hedges and stuff. But I just wanted to add a little bit to the Kubota SSV 75 review. I run that machine about 4 or 5 more hours after I did the video of it. And that machine, I didn't want to haul. I was on the other end of Alabama. I didn't want to haul my machine over there, so I figured I'd just rent one over there. I got over there, that's all they had. I got it, I got an 1840 case rubber tire here. And I figured it'll work. We went over there. I had to fix some roads at the hunting club, had to do some other stuff. And that is, you always felt like you was falling over in that machine. It was a very unstable machine. It had it had the foot controls on it, and I mean, it was a very uncomfortable. The machine the only thing I really liked about it is it had pretty decent visibility. But other than that, I mean, there was nothing else. The hydraulics was slow on it. It felt underpowered. You'd stick that bucket and you'd load it down. It would struggle to lift it. I mean, that 1840 case I got, you'll turn it over before you'll slow the hydraulics down on it. I like my Kubota tractors. I run Deere right now, but my next one will be a Kubota or a Massey. I'm about fed up with John Deere, and especially my local dealers and stuff. That's why I run Cat Equipment, Takeuchi's skid steers. I love John Deere's equipment, but I don't like their dealers. But anyway, I just thought I'd give y'all a little bit of a glimpse of this. We use some good chert in here. This stuff packed in here like this, it ain't gonna go nowhere. Alright, y'all have a great day. We out of here.